welcome to this month's unboxing of our Lev HaOLam subscription. We waited until we both got them, and we actually got them on the same day.
Yeah, we did.
Earlier this week, and so we're really excited. They're narrow, but they're very heavy, so we're excited to see what's in it. And yes, I noticed that, fragile.
Did you shake yours?
I did. I don't know
There's
if
something liquid in it.
I don't know. Yeah. So anyway, let's get to it. You have scissors?
Got it.
Okay, we won't keep you in suspense this time. We are just really so excited, and we thank you all for watching our last video that we unboxed our Lev HaOLam subscription. If you're not familiar with Lev HaOLam, they are from Judea and Samaria, which is regions in Israel that have like little cottage industries. Did you just throw that on the floor?
I didn't know where else to put it. Not my house.
Anyway, I'll take care of it. So yes, they have cottage industries where people will make different things, different products, and you can subscribe. So from the Holy Land itself, every month you get a package, and it's always good. So let's see if this month can top last month. I don't know if you can.
So remember last month you showed me that each of the boxes made a picture?
Yes.
When you opened it up?
Right.
And you said there was a picture on the other side?
Stack them up, yeah.
I'm going to open mine from the bottom this time and see if I see a different picture.
Okay.
If you're
All
ready.
right. I'll do the top. You do the bottom. And I never would have thought of that. You know, it's the modern generation that rules the world for sure.
Yeah, but as you see, we're opening our boxes the same, Mom.
So anyway, we're just really excited about this. It's so much fun every time. You know, last time we got a cookbook, and I have gone through that thing so many times, and I picked out a few different things that I'm going to be making.
Okay, I just got the bottom.
You got the bottom?
What does that say?
Oh, sorry. Samaria, a journey to the ancient kingdom. The lofty mountains and rolling valleys of Samaria hold within them secrets of the Bible. Today, this area is being revived by settlers and their enterprises. Please take note of the Biblical Samaria magazine, which I have right here. I wish we had a cameraman.
Just have a paper.
Oh, you have a paper because you opened it from the bottom. Ooh, how exciting. Okay, let me get back to this. Please take a note of the Biblical Samaria magazine we've created for you to open a window on the ancient kingdoms of Israel. Our hope is that what we've shared here will arouse your curiosity and yearning for the eternal stories of the Bible. You know what, my most favorite place in Israel is in Samaria when we've gone there several times. I feel like Abraham, kind of.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How's that work out for you?
Well, a shorter version and a female version of Abraham, because God told Abraham to go to a land that he was going to show him, and he took him to this area, and he looked around, and he told him that all this land would be given to him and his people. So it's, you know, it makes you cry. It makes you cry when you're there. So,
if you open the bottom of the box,
I love that. I love that. A little tour book of the box. And then my next thing, oh, that's interesting. It goes this way. So it's like a little card, I think. Maybe you could, okay, maybe not. Okay, the head of the Mid-Shari Samaria Hostel. And it gives you a little bio, and for us from Samaria, it's all the people who are in this box, which is really exciting.
I like to see the people behind it.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Faces, I know that's
real people. You know, because I tell you, if you go to Costco, you don't see them.
Nobody.
Yeah, the manufacturers. All right.
So
oh, I have been wanting this, you know, because I know you're at the bottom of the box.
Yeah, I'm at the bottom. I gotta dig.
I'll do you work your way that way, I'll work my way, no, this way and that way, and then we'll get to the end.
Well,
okay.
I got
Alma.
The
Alma.
pistachio granola bars.
Oh, that's really
These
good.
are really good. I got these once before.
Oh, we tried to.
Thank you. I love these.
We
Like a year ago, I got them.
when we
They
go
were
to
awesome.
Israel, they always have some halva on the buffets, and we grab a spoonful of that.
That's,
But when I say spoonful, it's not soft. It's kind of crispy,
so you got
like a
halva.
super thick peanut butter. It's really good.
That's probably what this is. Face
Face
scrub.
scrub. That's what I've been needing.
Oh, with organic olive seed and oil. Deep exfoliate.
Oh, so it's like ground up olive seeds.
That's better than a sugar scrub for your face.
Oh, I think so. Because it.
Did that one.
So as soon as you do the scrub, the oil is going to be healing your
Do
skin.
not scrub for more than 40 to 45 seconds.
I'm glad you read that because
Contains, you would have been going for an hour, Mom.
I would have been on it.
Olive seed powdered, sweet almond oil, chamomile oil, olive virgin oil, spring water,
Mm-hmm.
natural jelly, and fragrance.
Natural
Without
jelly.
without color, aluminum, or preservative.
Well, I wonder what that
And
means.
look there's an FDA registration number, so that's awesome.
I'm going to take a quick look.
Because they do so
Take a
much
quick
for
look.
us.
You know, we should have a little bite of that halva so that people can see what it looks like.
I think
Because
we
it's
should. That's the first thing I used to do when I would open these. I just start eating.
start eating, eat your way through, have a
Okay,
snack.
you can have them.
Oh, they're individually wrapped. Wonderful.
You didn't. I stick them in my purse, so if the kids get hungry, I just give them these.
Here, have this little treat from the land of Israel. Ooh, it's falling apart.
Oh man, it's all written
Ooh,
in
wee.
Hebrew. Isn't
That
that yummy?
is so good. It's sweet.
Are you eating it yourself? Should I open
I can
it?
share.
Okay.
You know what? It kind of reminds me too
You have
of
your own box.
sesame.
Oh, there's.
Yeah,
There's
like
like.
little sesame sticks. Doesn't it taste like that?
Yeah, but I love pistachio. That is like my favorite thing in the whole
Very good.
world.
Excellent, excellent. No,
Oh,
I think I found what was squishing around in there. Olive oil, extra virgin cold press from, the word says Shiloh, but they pronounce it Shiloh. Shiloh, the groves of Israel. And Shiloh is where,
I almost named Ezra Shiloh.
oh, I wish you, well, I like Ezra too. But this is where, the Mishkan stood. Whenever God commanded Moses to build the tent to house the Ark of the Covenant,
Oh,
the tent was called the Mishkan, and that was in Shiloh.
Chura Estates Winery. So it's from the winery, I guess. It's cold compress. That I know that olive oil you want cold compress. It's really hard to find in the
Absolutely.
United States. Thank you. Appreciate that.
Oh, a
I have
small
to do.
box. That's always exciting.
Gourmet spice mix.
Ooh, open that.
Oh wow.
Oh,
That's
wow.
really pretty.
That is so gorgeous. Let
Let
me
me
read.
zoom up on the camera on that.
Well, you know what? Take it here. Just take it to the camera.
No, hold it. I'll just zoom in and zoom
Okay.
out. That's maybe if I don't know.
I don't know if you can.
Sorry guys if this is shaky. Yeah, that's. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. I love it.
Awesome.
Okay, perfect. Keep going.
So beautiful. Oh my gosh. The hard part is, do you keep them or do you give them as gifts? That's always the hardest thing whenever I get the jewelry. And then I usually keep it thinking I'm going to give it as a gift, but then
Oh, wow,
I still
that's
have
nice.
it. Oh, what you got?
So this one has Mediterranean mix.
Oh, yummy. So it's a blend of our soft cheese. Oh, sprinkle. This is what you can put on it. Blend into soft cheese or sprinkle on fish. I'm making fish today. Perfect. Savory pastries and salads. Oh, parsley, dill, garlic, chili, sea salt, and olive oil.
Oriental mix.
Oriental. Huh. Oh, man, my mind is racing now. So both of these things are kosher. Ham.
I'd hope they would be.
Well,
Coming from Israel, I would think so.
well, there's probably something in Israel that's not. This one has paprika, fennel, cinnamon, turmeric, coriander, cumin, black pepper, and nutmeg. So this one is to sprinkle over chicken or fish and add stew meat, vegetable soup, or tomato sauce.
Look at they send you a little recipe card.
Oh, we have to make
Directions.
this. Yes, we're gonna make this.
Beef sofrito or oven roasted spiced tilapia.
Okay, I can make spiced cod.
What you got, Mom?
You make one, and I'll make one.
I'll make both because you have your own box.
No, yeah, but if you make one of the recipes and I make one, you can show one and I can show one.
No, okay, make sure you have the same thing.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I want to make sure.
Oriental mix and Mediterranean mix.
Okay, perfect.
So we're the same.
Just checking.
You're afraid somebody's gonna get something different. Oh, you got the
yeah.
same jewelry,
Yeah, but it's super.
same halva.
I love that stuff. I'm gonna eat another one.
All right. Oh, remember when we got this before? This is Itamar perfume.
Oh,
Oh, that's chocolate spread. That's
like,
different. That's so different.
that's nice perfume.
Okay, let's see what this is. Anti-aging night cream. This is my month with raspberry seed oil. I'm so excited because if you don't want that, I know someone who needs it.
I'm almost 40. I need it.
Oh, wow.
I'm getting there. A few more months.
All right.
Raspberry. I wonder what
Imagine
this
if you
smells
use
like.
all these Lev HaOLam things and she gets to my age, not saying, but what happens if it really worked? And then you stay this age
I don't know.
forever.
For 40, I think I'm doing pretty good.
So, what if you stayed this look here for forever?
I'm just gonna open it.
No,
Like
you
this.
can't. You can't. We have to do this because there it comes. Good.
Oh wow.
That smells nice. Ooh. Oh yeah. Yeah. You might want to forget that and leave it here.
Look at that. But it comes out just enough.
Just
I
enough.
wish they
so you
all
don't-
had this
I
kind of
know.
pump.
So you don't waste it. All right, bittersweet hazelnut chocolate spread.
At least my hands will look good. They won't age.
You know, I think the problem there is the car steering wheel in the sun. Oh, look at, I think bittersweet.
Beach.
We have to make something. We have to make a
Bittersweet.
pastry. Stick that in it.
Or you can just go get us a spoon and we'll
I
have
could
some
do that. Yeah,
now.
why don't I have spoons?
That's a really good idea. Next time.
Always
next
available.
time.
Hang on.
Here, I'll open mine. I know I'm gonna eat this.
Yeah, you'll probably eat yours before I do.
Bittersweet hazelnut chocolate spread. Low sodium. It's also vegan. 85% cocoa.
Oh, that's my cocoa.
Yeah, it really is. That's really good. That's what I get my baker's cocoa at.
Here you are. Yes, I don't have many uses.
Oh, it's awfully soupy though.
I don't have many uses for this, but this is one. Maybe you need to stir it up a little. I'm gonna stand back.
Yeah, you
Ooh.
probably should. I kind of splattered this. So
Okay,
be
why
careful
is
when
it
you
so
open this.
thin? Oh, it's a spread. It's not like
That's
it's
okay.
not
Still
regular
regular.
hazelnut.
You were thinking of like
What are we thinking of? What is it
Nutella.
called? Nutella. Yes. It's not like that.
well, there's my spoonful.
Okay. Oh, you know what?
Oh man.
Vanilla ice cream.
That would be really good on the knife.
Okay. Oh, that's such bittersweet.
Oh, perfect.
Mmm.
That'd be really good in coffee too.
Coffee. Let's make some coffee.
I can't double dip.
You know what? That tastes like a really, really incredibly good cake icing. Doesn't it?
I know what I want for my birthday.
You want my jar?
Your jar of chocolate on my cake.
Anyway, so guys, I
Yeah.
just wanted to,
Perfect. Love it.
I guess I need some, what do you call those things? Napkins.
No,
All
you
right,
don't.
so we had just a wonderful time opening this box.
Thank
We
you.
always do. Oh, there's a picture of the artist that made the jewelry.
Aw.
I want to take a tour to Israel and meet all these people. I want to go there again.
Thank
But-
you. That was beautiful. I will wear it and not give it away as a gift to somebody.
Ah, la 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 la. Ali Tamar, beyond.
Boaz Nathaniel surprised his community, his family, and perhaps most of all himself when 7 years ago, at the age of 45, I have cream still on my chocolate on my teeth.
He left an important position at the head of an agricultural yeshiva, a religious institute where students spend half a day farming and half a day learn. I want to be a student and studying metalsmithing, to study metalsmithing.
Oh, that's crazy.
Well, I think he really learned the craft of metalsmithing because that's beautiful.
You're just to make Mom, you got chocolate on your lid.
Well, guys, thanks for coming.
Thanks for joining us.
And, you know, we make these videos not only for you, but we really appreciate you watching, but also for our future generations. So I just want to say, this is really typical of who we are. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, so if you do things in the future that you're like, where did that crazy come from? It all came from here. So love you. Pika loves you. Bye.
Thank you. One more thing, Mom.
Oh, what?
You have to say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to Erica and her mom.
And next month we will see you right here when we open our next box and be really excited and start eating stuff again.
Yeah, it will be.
Like I said, these are just amazing boxes. I feel like a little kid again when I get them and get to open them.
I know. It's like Hanukkah 12 times a year.
It's amazing.
And next time it'll be time for Hanukkah. So maybe we'll get something for Hanukkah. Yay.
Well, I think
Well, you know,
jewelry is always a good present
that's
for
a
Hanukkah.
good present, but maybe we'll get something like a menorah. Hanukkah. We'll get a Hanukkah. I always try to guess what's coming.
I don't. I just like to be surprised. Thanks, guys. We'll
Thank
see you
you.
next time.
All right, thanks for watching. This is the repacking. The repacking of the Lev HaOLam box.
A woman's heart. Just saying.